Hello everyone, I'm Bhumi Pednekar and I'm so pleased to be here with you to present the 2020 special edition of Vogue Women of the Year Awards. What a year it's been. From shock and horror to hope and love. Coping with this year has been more dramatic and unpredictable than a Bollywood film. And yes, it was the heroes of our time who came to the rescue. But no, I'm not talking about the muscled men I meet on film sets. Today, we honor Vogue warriors, the brave women on the front lines and behind the scenes who have bravely led India's battle against COVID-19. Our first winner is one of the many healthcare workers who have risked their own lives to save the rest of us. She is a nurse who contracted the virus while taking care of two patients who at 93 and 88 were among India's oldest COVID-19 survivors. Not only did this brave nurse care for them, but she beat the virus, served out her quarantine, and was back at work soon after. Unafraid and unshaken, she continues to work the COVID-19 ward. Congratulations, Nurse Reshma Mohandas.
Thank you, Vogue, for considering me an award like Vogue Woman of the Year under the category Vogue Warriors Spotlight of the Year. I am considering this is an honor to all staff nurses working around the world during this pandemic. A special thanks to Vogue for the effort taken to bring the COVID time life of social worker and health worker to the public.
Thank you for your service, Nurse Reshma. Our next winner is the only woman in a team of doctors nominated to take care of patients in a lesser developed region of Kerala, where hospitals weren't equipped to handle a pandemic. When duty called, the pulmonologist, who had recently only recovered from a severe respiratory disease herself, with two kids both preparing for their board exams and elderly parents at home, put everything aside and answered her call of duty and has gone on to save hundreds of lives. The award goes to the fearless Dr. Kamla Ram Mohan.
Thank you, Vogue, for making me part of the Vogue Women of the Year 2020 to appreciate the efforts of hundreds of women who are fighting the pandemic from the front line. I accept this award on behalf of my friends, colleagues, and other frontline workers who are striving hard to fight this pandemic.
Thank you, Dr. Kamla Ram Mohan. We are forever grateful to you and all the healthcare workers leading India's fight against the pandemic. Our next winner is literally a superwoman who can fly, and that too without a cape. The first woman civil pilot to operate a rescue flight, she led a rescue operation to COVID hotspot Italy in March and got 263 of her fellow Indians back home. Congratulations, Air India pilot Swati Raval. You are truly a hero.
Hello everyone, thank you Vogue for choosing me and to award me with Woman of the Year award. It feels wonderful when the work is acknowledged, even if it is the smallest work you have done for the country. And I receive this award on behalf of each and every woman who aspires to do something more in life and who are ready to walk that extra mile. Thank you.
Thank you, Swati Raval. I do look forward to flying again soon. Hopefully. This COVID hero is one whose work may soon be a Cambridge case study. Right at the beginning of the lockdown, when our country was grappling with a shortage of masks and shields, this woman and her team designed over 1 million face shields for healthcare workers in record time. The winner is Richa Srivastava from Makers Asylum, Mumbai.
I'm extremely honored and humbled to be awarded alongside such amazing women of the country. Thank you so much, Vogue, for adding so much voice to our story. This award is an ode to a power of a collective, to self-sustainable local ecosystems, to every maker out there who did not even think once but just kept making and supporting the healthcare community. Everyone who's been part of the M19 collective, to our lovely team at Makers Asylum, and last but not the least, my partner in crime and life, Vaibhav Chabra. Without his relentless work, this beautiful haven called Makers Asylum would have not existed. Thank you so much.
A heartfelt thank you to all our warriors. You truly are the silver lining in these uncertain times.
Thank you, Bhumi, and congratulations to all the winners. Your bravery is humbling and inspiring. Hello everyone, I'm Dulquer Salmaan, and I'm here to introduce you to my personal hero and Vogue India's Leader of the Year. The world media has dubbed her a rock star, the Corona Slayer. She's not just a state treasure for us Keralites, she's a national icon. Way back in January, she was amongst the first leaders in India to gauge the possible impact of COVID-19 and quickly set about putting a plan in place. 2 years ago, she showed similar foresight in curbing the spread of the Nipah virus. While the fight against Corona is a much bigger and ongoing one for all of us in India, we know that our state is in the best hands. പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട ശൈലജ ടീച്ചർ, ഈ അവാർഡ് പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കാൻ പോലും ഞാൻ അർഹനല്ല. എന്നാലും എല്ലാ ആദരവോടെ ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷത്തോടെ ഞാനത് അനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യാം. Our next award winner is the Vogue India's Women of the Year cover girl and Kerala's Minister for Health, Social Justice and Women and Child Development, KK Shailaja. Congratulations, ma'am. ഒരുപാട് നന്ദി.
I want to express my thanks to Vogue magazine for selecting me to this award. I'm happy to receive the award, but I know that this is a collective work fighting against the pandemic and all other infectious disease. So many people are fighting against it, and the health team especially. I want to dedicate this award to my health team, from the officials to the field workers, and they are the actual heroes, and I want to dedicate this award to them.
Thank you, Minister. You are truly an inspiration to us all. Hi, everybody. I am Samantha Akineni. Our last winners exemplify the magic created when women come together. They are not frontline or essential workers, but they played an essential role in India's COVID battle. They were training hard in Bangalore for the 2020 Olympics, but the world went into a lockdown and their Olympic dream was stalled. They chose to turn their focus to the migrant crisis instead. Quickly and cleverly, they set up a fitness challenge to raise funds for India's displaced workers and managed to collect 20 lakhs in just 15 days. Led by their captain, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna winning Rani Rampal, meet Vogue India's cover girls, and the Vogue Sportswomen of the Year award goes out collectively to the Indian national women's field hockey team. Congratulations, girls! You may not have won an Olympic medal this year, but you did bring home the gold.
We would like to thank Vogue India for recognizing our efforts with the Women of the Year award sports category. It is a great feeling when people recognize our effort. Each one of us beaten several roads to reach here where we are today. We wish our journey inspire many more young girls to take up the sports and achieve their goals.
Thank you, girls. Well deserved. And all the viewers in India, I know we are a country obsessed with cricket, but here is a team to rally behind. Let's cheer for them as our brave women's hockey team prepares for the Olympics next year. You all are an inspiration, as are all the other winners today, and thank you all for tuning in.